Hi students, welcome to PV Digital Classroom. Today in this class we are going to see the bookmark exercises for your supplementary reader which we have learnt in your previous class. Which supplementary reader we have taught in your previous class? Lost in Space. So in the previous class we had learned story about Lost in Space. So before going to the bookmark exercises, I will recall you what has been happened in our previous class. So there are two boys called Amudan and Nilavan. They visited the space museum and they saw the model of the space shuttle. The Nilavan has opened the space shuttle and both of them has locked inside the space shuttle, and the boy has switched on the space shuttle and it is started to fly over the sky, and they were traveling through the sky, crossing a lot of a band of astronauts and many things. And when astronauts are coming towards a space shuttle, they don't know how to cross the astronaut, and suddenly they have turned something and they have left in one big planet, and they were searching for the spacesuit. Why they are searching for the spacesuit? Because they could not able to survive in the sky without the spacesuit and the oxygen cylinder. They both were searching for the spacesuit, and finally they have found out the spacesuit. And while they wearing the spacesuit, they saw a big space shuttle was coming towards them, and in that big space shuttles, who were there? They were aliens. What the aliens have told? The aliens told them, "Don't get afraid of us. We came here to help you. Don't worry. We will repair your space shuttle and you will be moving to your earth soon." And they have given a room to take rest for both of the boys, where they don't need the spacesuit and oxygen cylinder, a special room. And they have given some capsules instead of food, because in our space they will be using only capsules, not a regular food. So the aliens were treating the boys very well, and they told the boys to take rest for some times. We will be repairing your space shuttle, like that they told. And they have repaired the space shuttle and told their boys, it is time to go home, get up. And the boys said, finally what they said, thank you for your help. Are you willing to come with us to our earth? Like that the boys were asking the alien, but the aliens told that we are not ready to come to your earth now. When time comes, we will be coming to your earth. And they say bye, and the boys return to the earth happily. So shall we see the bookmark exercises for our Lost in Space today? See, the first one is say true or false. So read the sentence carefully and you have to answer whether it is true or false. See the first one, Amudan locked the door behind him. So did Amudan lock the door? No. Who has locked the door? That Nilavan has locked the door. So the first one is false. Next, Nilavan unknowingly started the space shuttle. No. Who has started the space shuttle? Amudan has started the space shuttle. So the second one is also false. The blue lights seen through windows were aliens. No. Which light has seen? Green light was seen through the windows were aliens. So the third one is also false. See the fourth one, they went out through the broken windows. So they went out through the broken window. It is true. The fourth one is true. The aliens gave a new shuttle to them. No. What the aliens did? The aliens have just repaired their own old shuttles and given to them. Not they have given the new shuttles. So the fifth one is also false. Shall we read one more time? First one, Amudan locked the door behind him. False. Nilavan unknowingly started the space shuttle. False. The blue lights seen through windows were aliens. False. They went out through the broken windows. True. The aliens gave a new shuttle to them. It's also false. So this is your first one. See the second one, name the character or the speaker. So read the sentence and you have to tell who has said this sentence, or name the character of this sentence. Are you alright? So who asked are you alright? So Nilavan has asked to Amudan whether are you alright. So the first one is Nilavan. So the second one, wake up, your ship is ready. So who has repaired the ship and they told to the boys the ship was ready? Yes, the alien. Wake up, your ship is ready is alien. Third one, let me try pulling this lever. So who had said this? Nilavan had said the sentence. See the fourth one, I am fine. We must wear the spacesuit. So I am fine. We must wear the spacesuit. Who has said this? Nilavan has said this. Next, the fifth one, eat these capsules. Who said to eat these capsules? Alien has said the boys to eat the capsules. Shall we read one more time? See the first one. Are you alright? Who has said that? Nilavan had said. Second one, wake up, your ship is ready. That is alien. Let me try pulling this lever. Who had said this? Nilavan. I am fine. We must wear the spacesuit. Nilavan. Next, eat these capsules said by aliens. So, see the next Roman is your answer the following. Read the question one by one and try to answer by yourself. First one, where the boys taken to? So, where the boys were taken to? The boys were taken to outer sphere. So, the boys wrongly switch on the space shuttles and they have started traveling the outer space. From the earth they were traveling to the space. The boys were taken to the outer space. Where did the space shuttle landed? So where did the space shuttle landed? The space shuttle landed on a new planet. So the boys were unfortunately not knowing how to drive the space shuttle, so they have landed in a new planet. And the third one, what did Nilavan see through the window? So what did Nilavan see through the window? The Nilavan saw an astronaut through the window. So they are seeing the astronaut while they are traveling through the space shuttle. Shall we read the one more time? Where the boys taken to? The boys were taken to outer space. The second question, where did the space shuttle landed? The space shuttle landed on a new planet. So the third question is, what did Nilavan see through the window? The Nilavan saw an astronaut through the window. See the fourth question, who scattered the windows? So who has scattered the windows? See the answer, alien from the big shuttle scattered the windows. So who has helped the boys to get out from the space shuttle? Aliens. So aliens from the big shuttle scattered the windows. See the fifth one, how did the aliens know the boys' language? So how did the aliens know the boys' language? Means the aliens are capable of reading the mind of the boys. From that they are able to know what the boys are speaking and what are in their minds. So the answer is given as the alien knew the boys' language through mind reading. The aliens know the mind readings, so they are able to know what the boys are thinking. So once again we shall read the fourth one and the fifth one. Who scattered the windows? The answer is alien from the big shuttle scattered the windows. See the fifth one, how did the aliens know the boys' language? The aliens knew the boys' language through mind reading. So what are the things today we have learned in the class? So the first one is true or false, and the second one, name the character or the speaker, and the third one is our answer the following. So totally 3 Romans we have learned in our today classes. Listen to the video carefully. If you are unable to learn on the first time, repeat your videos 1 or 2 times. Listen to the audio and video carefully. Your homework for this today class will be in your Empower workbook. There will be supplementary exercises. Write the same exercises in your Empower book. If you are having your Empower book, try to write in your Empower book. If you are not having your Empower book, read these 3 and write it in your rough note. Thank you for watching this video.